Introducing the first leather holster for the Pelican 7600 tactical flashlight. This leather holster holds the Pelican 7600 tactical flashlight and traffic wand kit, and is designed for the traffic wand to be carried inside the holster with the flashlight for easy access. It comes with a durable snap to keep the light secure, and holds the wand at your side until you need it for a traffic control situation. It's one of a kind and is custom made in the USA to fit both the Pelican 7600 flashlight and the traffic wand. The traffic wand fits securely to the head of the Pelican 7600 flashlight. The light features a rotary collar to control 3 color selections of white, red, and green. These additional colors provide night vision preservation and can be used for traffic control when partnered with the slip-on traffic wand accessory. After use, the flashlight fits inside the wand to be returned to the holster, allowing for more room on the duty belt. The holster is available in 3 finishes to match the duty gear on your belt: plain leather, high gloss, and basket weave. This flashlight holster is rugged, sturdy, and handcrafted to securely hold the 7600 flashlight and traffic wand at your side, making it available for you to use when you need it.